A Walmart Protection Plan claim is usually denied because the product isn't covered for the reported problem, required purchase information is missing, the claim was filed incorrectly, or the damage falls outside the plan's terms. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the reason for the denial and what you can do before giving up on your claim. Start by reading the denial message carefully. Most claim decisions include a reason, and that reason tells you what needs to be corrected before you submit another request or appeal the decision. Next, verify that your protection plan is active and belongs to the product you're claiming. Check the purchase date, product model, and protection plan details to make sure they all match. A mismatch between the registered product and your receipt can prevent the claim from being approved. If the claim was denied because information was missing, gather everything before trying again. Keep your purchase receipt, protection plan confirmation, product serial number, if applicable, and any emails related to the claim. Having complete documentation makes it much easier to verify ownership and coverage. Another common issue is selecting the wrong problem during the claim process. If the online form asks you to choose the reason for the claim, make sure your selection accurately describes what happened. Choosing an incorrect category can lead to an automatic denial even when the issue may actually be covered. If the product shows signs of accidental damage, normal wear, cosmetic damage, or another condition, compare that with the protection plan's coverage terms. Some issues are covered while others are specifically excluded, so understanding the plan helps you know whether the denial was expected or whether it should be reviewed. If you believe the claim should have been approved, contact the protection plan administrator using the information provided with your plan. Explain why you believe the denial is incorrect, and ask whether additional documents or photos would allow the claim to be reconsidered. Also review any photos or information you uploaded. Blurry images, incomplete descriptions, or missing documentation can delay the review or result in a denial if the claims team can't verify the reported issue. If you're asked to submit more information, respond as soon as possible. Delaying your response may cause the claim to remain closed, even if the problem could have been resolved. The fastest way to fix a denied claim is to understand the reason, verify your product and plan details, submit complete documentation, correct any mistakes in the claim, and contact the plan administrator if you believe the decision should be reviewed. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.